Hello, uncles, aunts, and dear elders. Did you know that with just 3 simple drinks you can easily make at home, you can significantly improve knee joint pain and restore smooth, flexible movement like in your younger days? This is the special secret of Dr. Shigaki Hinohara, a renowned Japanese medical expert who lived to be 105 years old and maintained healthy legs until his final days. For many older adults, knee pain isn't just an inconvenience, it's a daily struggle. Some mornings, just getting out of bed is difficult, with stiff, aching knees that crack and creak with every step. Some seniors have shared with me that the pain was so intense at times, it brought them to tears, wishing they could go back to the days of walking freely without relying on their children or grandchildren. According to statistics, 72.3% of Vietnamese seniors suffer from knee osteoarthritis, a deeply concerning number. It's also the leading cause of disability in the elderly. But the good news is we can absolutely prevent and improve this condition naturally without expensive medication or surgery, simply by drinking the right joint-nourishing beverages every day, just like Dr. Hinohara did throughout his life. The first drink he recommended is shiitake mushroom water. This nutritious, easy-to-find mushroom is rich in vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, essential for strong, elastic joints. Daily consumption of mushroom water slows joint aging, eases pain, and enhances mobility. It also contains B vitamins, calcium, potassium, and copper to reduce inflammation, regenerate cartilage, and prevent cramps. To prepare, soak dried shiitake mushrooms in salt water, slice, then simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Drink 200 to 250 milliliters warm each morning for noticeable relief after a few weeks. The second drink is ginger turmeric honey tea, a powerful anti-inflammatory blend perfect for those with arthritis. Ginger reduces swelling, improves circulation, and promotes cartilage repair. Turmeric, especially with black pepper, boosts curcumin absorption by 2,000%, enhancing its healing effects. Honey soothes joints and provides natural energy. To prepare, boil 300 milliliters water with 2 slices of ginger, 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and simmer for 3 minutes. Turn off heat, add quarter teaspoon black pepper. Let it cool to 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, then stir in 1 teaspoon honey. Drink in the morning or afternoon for best results. The third drink is basil seed and perilla leaf tea, a traditional Japanese remedy for joint lubrication and detoxification. Basil seeds are rich in natural mucilage, omega-3s, calcium, and antioxidants, excellent for joint flexibility and cartilage protection. Perilla leaves reduce inflammation and pain, eliminate uric acid, and support people with mild gout or arthritis. To prepare, soak 2 tablespoon basil seeds in 200 milliliter warm water for 15 to 20 minutes. Boil 5 to 7 perilla leaves in 300 milliliter water for 5 to 7 minutes. Combine both liquids and enjoy warm or chilled with a slice of lemon. Drink once in the morning and once in the evening for smoother joints within weeks. Dear uncles, aunts, and elders, we've now explored 3 simple yet powerful joint-nourishing drinks: shiitake mushroom water, ginger turmeric honey tea, and basil seed perilla leaf tea. These are the daily habits Dr. Shigaki Hinohara used to maintain strong, pain-free knees well into old age. He believed it's not expensive medication or surgery that matters most, but how we care for our joints every single day. Drink the right liquids at the right times and you'll see a clear difference. In the morning, drink mushroom water to restore cartilage and ease morning stiffness. In the afternoon, enjoy ginger turmeric tea to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. At night, finish with basil seed perilla tea to lubricate and detox joints for a restful sleep. However, drinking alone isn't enough. Dr. Hinohara emphasized the importance of regular, gentle movement. Inactivity is the enemy of joint health. Elders should aim to walk at least 30 minutes a day or practice light yoga or tai chi to keep joints nourished and flexible. A healthy diet also plays a key role. More greens, fruits, calcium-rich, and omega-3 foods, less fried food, sugar, and salt. Sleep well, avoid stress, and get morning sunlight to naturally produce vitamin D. Start today with each drink, with each step, and you'll protect your knees and enjoy an active, joyful life with your family. Dear uncles and aunts, health is the most precious gift, especially in our golden years. Strong knees don't just help us move easily, they allow us to enjoy life fully, with freedom, joy, and time with our loved ones. With these simple habits, shiitake mushroom water, ginger turmeric honey tea, and basil seed perilla tea, along with mindful eating and gentle exercise, you'll begin to feel the difference. Lighter steps in the morning, no more pain on the stairs, and joyful walks with your grandchildren in the evenings. This is a gift of health you can give yourself. No need for costly medicine or surgery. If you found these tips helpful, please click like and subscribe to support me in sharing more valuable health wisdom. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive updates on the latest health videos. Start today, for yourself and for those you love. With consistency and care, you'll feel the transformation, day by day.